Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Lessons of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to present the line dance, I Trust Him. The song is Supposed to. The artist is Joy Rose, and the choreography is DJ Chris Blues. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. And if you want to check out the instructional, check out the choreographer, DJ Chris Blues, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Everything is working out exactly like it's supposed to. Everything is working out exactly like it's supposed to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5,
I wake up with peace
7,
sitting soft on my chest. I don't chase the world, I just move how I'm led. I trust every step even when I can't see it. I know what is mine is already with me. Yeah, I pour into me like I'm sacred and whole. I honor my body, my mind, and my soul. I speak life in silence, I bloom in the dark. I follow the rhythm that lives in my heart. I don't rush the time, I don't question flow. What's meant to find me already knows. Everything is working out exactly like it's supposed to.
And there you go. I trust him. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Hula teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.